name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the fuck though. I don't bluff, bro. Aiming at your head like a buffalo.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nikki. Today is Friday, and every Friday I film some type of face chart video where I recreate a face chart. I took a poll on Instagram like I always do, or I have been doing for the past like 4 or 5 weeks, and this is the chart that won. So this is the chart I'm going to be recreating, or attempting to recreate. See how this works. I'm going to be using 4 palettes. 2 from Jeffree Star, 1 from Funkhouser, and then 1 Morphe palette. So, enough talking. Let's get started. The first palette I'm going to be using is the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. If you hate him, I'm sorry. But the colors in here I'm going to be using, I mean, that's just how it is. I'm going to take this shade right here called Charm and put that all above my crease and upper lid. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35U palette and going into this orange shade here. There are no names, so that orange shade there, and putting that directly on top of the orange shade I just used, using the same brush. Now for the next palette, I'm going to be taking this little quad from Funkhouser Cosmetics in the shade Dilettante, which is this dark green here. I'm going to be using that as my outer corner shade, and I'm not going to use this green, I'm going to use a different green, but definitely going to use this green. Now I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35U palette. This time I'm going to be using these 2 green shades. Again, this is on the older palettes, so they don't have any names. So just these 2 green shades. Using a brush, again, that I got from AliExpress, but this is by the brand Vander. So maybe they're available other places because they actually have a name. Anyway, let's keep going. And the last color will come from the Thirsty palette. Again, if you don't like him, just, you know, internalize that feeling. Just ignore. This shade here, Quench, it is the perfect yellow. to match the look. So that's the color I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my Morphe M156 brush on this end because it's easier to get into this small little area instead of trying to use this fat end. Now I'm going to go and do my entire face and get this off and blend some stuff and put foundation on and yada yada yada. I'll be back. And so I did everything off camera. I did my lashes and the highlight and just everything else off camera, only because it's the same stuff that everybody knows how to do foundation. Anyway, for the last step in the eye part, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Soul palette and the shade. Again, these shades are backwards. So if the shades are backwards, that's actually floaties. Or did I put them in the right direction? I don't remember. This one, no, sorry. This one is either unwind or it's floaties. Not sure because, again, apparently, except for this one, this is the only correct one. Or I think actually all of these are the only correct ones. These are possibly switched or something. I saw that on somebody's Instagram that the shades on the back of here did not match the swatches, so at some point I'm going to have to pop these out and put them in the right place. But yeah, unwind or floaties, and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Maybe I'll dip a little bit into ooh to make it pop more. And in the picture, if you look, it's like orange glitter. If I was not going to work, I would totally do that. But I think I'm just going to bring it down a little bit here, but I'm not going to do all the way down because I'm a teacher. I can't go to work like that unless it's Halloween, and it's not. So let's get into this. I know what you're thinking, this looks absolutely crazy. You're 100% correct. I kind of like it though. I'm of course going to blend this out more so it's not as harsh here, so then it just looks like I have an orange blush. I'm a genius. Anyway, for the last step, the lips. I'm going to be taking these two very similar colors because I don't have one specific color that looks like that one. So if I combine these and do like the outer and this the inner, I'll get the effect of the lip. And I'm not going to do my nose the way it is in the picture because, again, I gotta go work. If I didn't have to go to work, I would do it like that. This is Madly Matte Lip Gloss in the number 1633. I've used this before. I don't remember the name of it. So, yeah, we just go with the number because the name is not there. And then this is Jeffree Star's Scorpio. So, And this is the finished look. I definitely did blend this out more, so it looks a lot better. I actually like this. I like this a lot. I added Trophy Wife to the Cupid's bow, always. Unless it's like a silver, then I use an eyeshadow. But I like this. I really like this. I really wish I could go all the way down to make it look like I'm crying, but you know, I gotta go to work, so can't do that. And I chose an olive green top only because I feel like it would go better. And plus my hair is red and green and red. Yes, 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 yes. My extensions are so, like, they're so long, so weird. Anyway, this is the finished look. I'm actually really digging this look. I'm actually liking straight hair too these days. I'm not gonna curl this. I'm gonna leave it how it is. The little wave is because I slept with my hair in a bun. But anyway, that's it for this video. That's it for this week's face chart. If you see a face chart that you would like me to try, please do not hesitate to tag me on Instagram. Send it in a message on Facebook. Well, it is technically on a track, but it's definitely showing right there. We gotta hide that. Ow. Oh, it won't close. This is what I get for touching stuff. I've ruined it. I've ruined it. I've ruined it. I have ruined it. If you did not know, I do wear clip-in extensions in my hair. And I just ruined this. Crap. And now it's gonna get all tangled because it's all, oh, look at that. Okay, wait a minute. This was not supposed to be part of the video, but you know, I'm not gonna edit this out. Why would I? There we go. Got it. There we go. Haha. Ow, bro. Uh-oh. Now it's slipping, so. Well, the back part slid. Now we got it. There we go. Okay. Haha. Boom. 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 Much better. It's not supposed to be a part of the video, but you know. I wouldn't be me if I didn't leave my randomness in. That was completely random. And you can still see the little hump. I'll figure that out later. Or just not care. It's not important. Anyway, that's it for this video. Sorry about that minute-long randomness of me and my extensions. They're trying to expose me. But that's it for this video. I like this look so much. I think I'm going to leave this like this and just, you know, embrace the stairs. That's it for the video. See you next week. Well, no. Tomorrow for a look, and then next Wednesday for some skincare. Bye.